thing about Portland, I think like this is the best pizza city in America.
Really?
Is that insane?
Yeah.
Lovely's 50/50. Which is this pizza?
This is comfy cherry tomatoes with shaved squash, agrumato, which is like olive oil pressed with oranges. This one is orange. And point raised toma and flowers.
It's really, really delicious.
The squash.
The squash. The texture
Yeah,
from the
it tastes
squash
kind
is
of
really
crunchy.
nice. It's a little crunchy, yeah.
Yeah.
Right, we're at Scotty's Pizza Parlor. It's a great little slice shop here in Portland, and it's also got a great mission.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
A pay-it-forward slice program.
Okay, what's that?
So what that means is you come in, you order a slice, and if you'd like, you can pay for an extra slice.
Okay.
And that slice gets turned into basically a coupon that we post on our wall.
Okay.
And when somebody comes in who may not have the means to pay for a slice for themselves,
Okay.
they just grab a coupon off the wall and cash it in as if they're just paying for their pizza that way.
Wow.
And it entitles them to all of the, dignity and respect and service that comes with walking into a pizza parlor, paying $2.50 for a slice.
All right, we've got the dirty cheese pizza here at APIZZA. All kinds of local herbs and these beautiful Oregon heirloom tomatoes. It looks amazing. I'm gonna grab a slice. Super busy. The place is packed. It's always packed. This is one of the. Oh, look at that! Look at that! That's no tip sag. No tip sag. That's gorgeous. Structurally, this is perfect. This place really set the tone for Portland, and every pizza place that's opened since then has to have a pretty high level to make it here. And that starts with incredible dough. And it includes these awesome local ingredients like these herbs and the tomatoes. All the things that we've seen today, come from these amazing farms and regional produce that's happening here.
Portland doesn't have a lot of pizza history, and there's no Portland style of pizza. There's a lot of different people making great pizza in their own way, doing their own thing. I just really can't say enough things about the quality of the product these people are putting out, and then the extra things that they're doing, the commitment to using great local ingredients, vegetables, seasonal ingredients. To me, this is my favorite pizza town in the whole United States, and I hope you get here to check it all out.